Good morning and welcome back to Sebring International Raceway again. So we're here today with NASA. It's the October event with NASA. I've actually been here for 2 days. I was here on Thursday with a local McLaren dealership group. The day was just really bad, so there was really no footage of it. And then I was here yesterday with HOD, and I just instructed all day, so there was really not any footage of that either. So this is going to be the first race day. We're going to do TT3, but we've got the new springs in the car, so we really need to get it set up. The track was really wet. We've had a lot of rain the last couple days, so it was really hard to set the car up because of the track conditions. And so what we're going to do today is run TT3 and make some shock adjustments and see if we can't get those new springs dialed in. If we're not able to do that, then we will just have to run the car and see how it goes. Well, anyways, let me get things set up and going, and we will see you probably back at the drivers meeting. Ooh, exciting stuff.
Powered by Ocho.
Alright, I lied to you. We are, after we've done 2 sessions, I didn't bring to the driver's meeting. It's pretty boring. You've seen them before, or you don't care what they talk about. Because a lot of people don't care what they talk about. Anyways, we did our first session, which I'll show you now. As you can see, that dude really screwed things up for everybody. He went off, turn 7, came flying back on the track like he owned the freaking thing, and was just proceeded to be in the way the rest of the time. I was able to lock him out going into turn 3. Apparently, I don't know, that car is amazing Driver, not so much. I don't know who it was. If you're watching this, then don't mess with us when we're doing our qualifying runs and time trials. You're running us for no reason. Just give us the track. Outside of that, good first session, and yeah, good one. And so went back out on the track. Show you that here. All right, so you saw turn one. I kind of got a little sideways there. I was pushing just a little too much. I had upped my minimum corner speed by about 2 miles an hour. Don't think the car liked it there. Could probably bring it back down and be okay. Anyway, stayed in it and came around, and as you saw into turn 17, black flag, so had to come in. Apparently one of the drivers hit a wall in 13, and that kind of ended the session for all of us. So that's where we are as of right now. I'll let you go here, and I will absolutely see you back on the track. That's a wrap. As you saw there, I broke a shifter. I know I've been kind of on and off the camera this weekend. I was really trying to set up the car and was really focusing on that. It was really hard to get to the camera because I was by myself for the most part, and I was making changes that I needed just to get done, so I couldn't really grab the camera and record. But anyways, that's what we get. Let me show you the shifter that you saw. So you can see my Herculean strength probably broke that grade 8 or greater bolt that's welded into that shifter shaft. And because of that, that's why this mission's second. So if you saw a lot during the day, I was really struggling to get it in the second. I wasn't getting any strain relief, and I think that's what was causing a lot of my problems. But anyways, we got some things to address. I need a new steering rack, need a new steering rack, need a new steering rack, need a new steering rack. Here's my steering problem. Hopefully you can hear it. Watch this. But then if you go like that, so here's the steering rack right here. It is the steering rack itself that's cracked. Got some things to address. I need a new steering rack. I need a new steering column. I'm going to get a new shifter. But the car itself, we're coming back after that spring change, so we're good there. Not much else to report. No records this weekend. It was a light TT3 field, so of course we got first place, but no records. And that's really what we're going for now at this point in time, is just to beat myself and sound right. But anyways, until next time. Oh, real quick, I don't ever ask for you guys to subscribe. I need you guys to subscribe. If you watch my video, just subscribe, please. It really helps get it to other people too. I know a lot of people don't subscribe to videos, but I don't mean to beg. But I do need subscribers. Only like 10% of the views are from subscribers. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, just hit the subscribe button real quick for me right now. Do it. All right, you did it. If you didn't do it, then do it now. Anyways, till next time, we'll see you guys back at the shop.
Powered by Ocho.